We'll demonstrate closed buttonhole stitch. It's a variant of buttonhole stitch, completely closing the mouth part of buttonhole, forming complete edge. Let me demonstrate. First, come up from left here, then take down diagonally below it. Don't pull tight. At diagonal line and intersection here, come up. Note, needle must go through this loop, inside this loop. Pull thread. Let me demonstrate again. Take down from lower straight line. Don't pull tight. Come up at intersection of upper straight line and horizontal. Thread needle through loop, forming a buttonhole. Continue returning below to take down. Come up above diagonal line. Also, thread needle through loop. Adjust shape, creating a triangle shape. Stitches radiate outward. Let me demonstrate again. Take down at top of this diagonal line. Don't pull tight. Hold loop down with finger. Come up at intersection of upper horizontal and diagonal. Pull thread. Each time coming up must ensure needle must be inside this loop. This way creates interlocking buttonholes. If not inside loop, won't form buttonhole. Following these operation steps, complete remaining pattern. This stitch is perfect for stitching fabric edge seams or filling. Can achieve great effects. Final stitch. Lock edge firmly. Closed buttonhole stitch is complete. Let's see the finished effect.